Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the front portion of your hair and tie it with the rubber band. Now take another portion of your hair and then tie it with the rubber band and repeat the whole process. Now with the remaining hairs, braid it nicely and then tie it with the rubber band. It's done. For the next one, take the front section of your hair and tie it with the rubber band. Now put some grease on it and make a braid out of it. Now with the help of your remaining hairs, make a ponytail by taking the smaller sections out, and it is all done. It is cute, right? For the next one, take the ponytail and then take a ribbon and put it on it. Now, with the help of a ribbon, tie it and start braiding your hairs nicely and gently as it will start looking like this. Then tie it with the help of a rubber band and it's all done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and tie it with the rubber band and pull it inside out. Now take another portion of your hair, pull it inside out. Now with the remaining hairs, make the braids and it is all done. For the next one, take your hairs and comb it nicely. Now, take the front portion of your hair, tie it with the rubber band and then divide it into two parts. Now, by taking each section from the remaining hair, start braiding your hairs from each side while taking the smaller sections from each side. Now, repeat the whole process very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this and comes to the bottom. Take the remaining hairs and make a very tight braid. Now, repeat the process on another side too. Then make a ponytail out of it, make two sections of it and roll it inside out, attach it with the help of a rubber band and roll the extra hairs as shown in the video. It's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take a ribbon and tie it into the bow-like structure. Now take your hairs and make it into two parts. Now start braiding your hairs very nicely and gently as it is shown in the video. Do it till the bottom and it's all done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and make it into braid. Now take another portion of your hair, roll it inside out. Now take a hair string and attach it and start doing it into a braid as it is shown in the video. Make 3 of it and it's done. For the next one, make a 2 sections out of your hair. Now start taking each sections into the braid and keep doing the whole process by taking the smaller sections from the hair. Now repeat the process very nicely and gently by taking the smaller sections as it will start looking like a fishtail. Now repeat the process till the bottom and it's all done. Thanks for watching.